everybody loves you because you're not competition. When you become competition, the people start, wait, hold on, wait.
Pull up in a monster, automobile gangster, with a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in a tanga, color of Willy Wonka.
Today, so I can get this vlog out.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Tiki Rebecca, and I'm back with another video. It's like my second VLOGMAS video. I'm starting right now because I'm trying to be on point. What's the problem, Sammy? It's Saturday. I'm literally still in bed. It's 10 o'clock. Why is the lighting doing this?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Hat.
Yeah, she's got a hat, and we're watching YouTube right now, just chilling. I'm literally. I'm uploading my videos, doing some. I'm posting on all platforms. Listen, this YouTube life is not easy, you know. I'm having to post all my content on all different platforms, on my TikTok, on my Instagram, everything, so that you know you can give little. Like I'm trying to put little clips together. Shit, my battery's gonna die. I'm gonna have to charge it, but I need to get up so that I can start packing my suitcase and seeing what I need so that I can go shopping on a Friday.
Mommy.
Sammy. Say hi to the people then.
This is gonna be inside something else as well.
We look stinky because we just woke up. But yeah, I'll probably pick up the camera when I am packing my suitcase in a bit. So let me just charge the battery and I'll be back. I'll be back. Say bye.
Bye.
I am so hungry. Anyways, about to get something to eat. Let me see what wings there were. I know my mom has some wings in the air fryer. Look at that. Bang. Bussin'. So I might have some of that. I was actually meant to make a tuna and pasta, but I cannot be bothered. Oh my gosh, how can? So literally one of my goals was I wanted to work with HelloFresh. So funny. Did they not turn up to my doorstep yesterday talking about a promotion that they're doing half price for like 6 or 3 months or something like that? And then I was telling the person that I've always wanted to work with HelloFresh, and she was like, yeah, they love indirect marketing, so she's like, do it. So we've literally ordered some boxes, and I'm just gonna obviously make my content or whatever, and then see how it goes from there. But definitely seems like a shout. So yeah, I'm gonna make some food. What time is it? It's 11:45, and I usually leave at like 12:30. I could even leave at 12:45 as well, because Sammy's got nursery at 1, so I'll try to get there for about 1:15. I don't have to be like on time. So what I do? Yeah, and then I need to go to the doctor's. So yeah, my skin looks quite good. I shaved my face the other day because but it's like the discoloration is wild. I need to invest in some new skincare, literally, because this is not it. But yeah, I'm gonna get some food and then I'm gonna leave. So yeah. Sammy don't care for me. Say wee, going. Oh. So I'm literally in Costa, and I went all the way to the doctor's for no reason. They literally told me that the lighting on, that they're closed, and I should come back tomorrow. Ridiculous. So I'm in Costa right now, trying to get some work done. But yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. So I'll be in here for like an hour. So yeah, just go through my emails to see what work I can get done right now before I leave to go to work. So yeah, I'm making myself a, what's it called? A media kit for TikTok. I don't even know how to make this stuff, but because of the email I received, I need to make sure I come correct. So I'm literally just making myself a media kit. Let me show you how. On my iPad. So I made this so far. I'm literally just gonna change it. This is from Canva. Literally on Canva. And then I'm just editing the content on there, and I'm going to my TikTok and I'm looking at my analytics. So that will be good. But I'm trying to think like, what's the best way to make, I don't know how to do this, but I'm just doing it. I'm trying to think what's the best way to put all my content together. Because I wish it just gave me my overall content all together, but it's breaking it down in months. So I need to figure out what to do. Hey guys, it's literally, oh my gosh, what was that? Hey guys, literally, it's the second week of my vlogmas. My vlogmas! I'm doing it weekly, so this is the second week. I'm literally sitting here trying to do some online shopping. I didn't even pick up the camera yesterday because I literally went straight to work. I was chilling for the day with Sammy, and then I literally went straight to work. Sammy, can you stop biting me every day? This little boy. What's the matter? Are you hungry? So yeah, we've got 14 days until we go to Paris. So I'm literally gonna do like a shop on ASOS. I love leather pants. Like, I literally love leather pants. So I have a list here. Oh my gosh, so I was packing my suitcase and I was thinking, I ain't got nothing. I hardly have anything to pack in there, so I actually need to go shopping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a shop on ASOS, and then I'm probably going to go to like Primark and get like my little bits and bobs. And then it's just that there's just so much stuff I want to buy, because it's not even like I'm just going to buy it to wear it in Paris. Like, I want to buy it, I'm buying it to wear it when I get back as well, like every day. So it's so annoying. I want to do this before I leave out to go to work, and then I literally booked my nails. Actually, the girl hasn't even messaged me back to confirm that I want an appointment next Wednesday. So next week's vlog will be like a maintenance week. I ordered some weave off AliExpress, which was like £50. So we gonna see how that looks. But yeah, next week will probably be like a maintenance week. Ew, my armpits. Next week will be a maintenance week, so that'll be good content. And then yeah, I actually need to do my hair. My hair's a little bit too tight, but yeah, my hair's a little bit too tight down. But yeah, it's so funny because I'm literally trying to think about, oh, what bits of my life am I vlogging? But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I feel like it, or when I've got something to show you guys. But yeah, for now I'm literally just trying to figure out what, yeah, so I'm just trying to do as much shopping now as I can. Please tell me why they're charging us £100 to go to the airport. I didn't know that airport rides are that expensive. It's actually outrageous. Like, what? I can't wait to get my nails done. But yeah, anyways, I'm going. So catch y'all later. Bye.
Because I was like,
the chaos this morning. The chaos. I literally had to go to the supermarket because I wanted to be lazy and not do anything yesterday. I didn't get any nappies. Come on. So I had to go to the supermarket today before I dropped Sammy to nursery, buy a whole bag of nappies, literally a whole bag of nappies, yeah. Come on, Sammy. Drop him to nursery and say to them, oh, can I leave this bag of nappies here? Because clearly I'm not going to bring it to me with work. And I was like, oh, I don't want to bring Sammy with me to work today, so, because you can go to school. So now we're going to walk all the way to his nursery from the shopping centre thing, whatever. And then, oh, you nearly bumped into the wall. And then I'm gonna go Superdrug because I want to get that Mael Organics hair products. Yeah, because me want it. Okay, wait. I need to look where I'm going because oh, okay, straight. Right, we're gonna keep going straight. I was not going to bring him to nursery because I didn't have any nappies to give him to go to nursery, and he's got one nappy in his bag. Oh, thank you. Right before your eyes, looking for these roads. But yeah, so we're walking. Sammy's on his scooter. Go on. It's a leaf. Go on. It's a car. Oh, it's a car playing music. Go on. Superwoman every day. Come on. He just wants to walk so slow. Come on. This bag is heavy. This bag is actually heavy. I don't know why you can't see me. It's because I have to put it up. So I'm in H&M. How have I really broken my lens? Like, you know when the lens opens, it doesn't open all the way. My lens is fucked up, so I need to get that little scoopy thing. I saw a video on how to fix it, but I was walking all the way here. I don't even know what I'm in here for, because I'm not going to be spending money. I need to be strategic in what I'm spending. I want boots. I want nice boots. That's what I want, but I don't see anything. There's a hat that I want to get from the kids section, but I want to see if it fits me. So, oh look guys, just gonna look back today. Ew. Anyway, not really much stuff in here. Because I already shopped online. I bought a coat in here already online. So I'm waiting for that to go to the shop so I can pick it up. These are cute. But I'm not a shiny look. I don't want shiny boots every day. So no, that's a no. So I found the hat I was looking for, right? Why? It's in the kids section. But it's a silver hat to go with my silver handbag. 8 to 10 years old. It's silver. But it's like a beanie. I think it's fire. Fire. £7. And I think I'm gonna get Sammy this hat again because I bought this before but I lost it. Sammy just needs a scarf. Oh, and a pair of jeans. Because when we go out to dinner, I want him to have like a nice outfit. But I need he needs a scarf for real. But this is cute. I'm gonna have to see if there's any scarves in Primark. wonder if my Primark has got any discounts. Not Primark, H&M. But why is there no scarves? I'm trying to get my vlog. I bought this silver hat because I want it to go with my my handbag. But I'm like, I think I saw someone in it, but I don't know where they got it from. But I'm guessing it's from H&M, but it's in the kids section.
But also, imagine your hair like long
Black weave, yeah, and my silver handbag, yeah. Like,
exactly. It will look really cute.
literally. So
It will. I'm saying that if it's in the kids section, that looks big though.
it looks, it's 8 to 7 years old.
Oh yeah, no, that looks good. It looks fine.
I love it. And then I'm buying Sammy this one again
Cute. I love
because
Sammy in orange. I don't know why, but
it's colour. He needs a bit. He needs a pop of colour. And I was like, oh my god, I think I fucked up some sort of settings. Because why? My camera saying something weird. I'm in. People are looking at me like, why's she talking to herself? Work's gotta get done. Vlogmas has gotta get done. So I'm trying to, yes, I'm gonna put my footage together so that I can get this vlog out for Friday. I'm gonna try and keep this momentum going because if I can do one vlog a week, and then on the Tuesday I could do like a sit down vlog or something, that would be good. My fucking iPad is on 9%. But yeah, no, I just went into the hair shop to get these. This is what I use in my hair, the gummy. It's actually really good. I don't know about maximum hold, but it's got hold. And it's better than like got to be because it's still like quite oily, so it keeps your hair a little bit moisturized, so it's not dried out. I've even got it in my hair now. See, look, it's not maximum hold because my edges are still a bit flyaway, but it's fine, it will do. Let me charge my iPad. I've only got about 15, 20, 30. Okay, I've got about 30 minutes to take some footage, get some going, and then I'll gotta go to work. I actually still need to go shopping. I don't even have any food at my house. I'm wearing a lip liner. You know what's so freaking funny? My sister, yeah, she'll be at home on a normal day and she'll put lip liner on with lip gloss just to walk around the house, and it looks so cute. But this lip liner is from Primark and it's so good. The combo. Let me show you the combo. So you know we got the Key Curl lip gloss. Guys, this is my engagement ring. And this lip pencil. It's the PS eyeliner in, I don't even know what shade it is. It doesn't even say what shade it is. But this, okay, it's not focusing. It doesn't say it. But this, and it goes on so nicely. I love it. I love it. So next week's vlog is going to be a maintenance vlog because I need to get ready. I probably told you guys a million times, but I'm so excited to get the fuck out of here, you know, from one cold country to another cold country. But yeah, I'm excited because I don't do my nails often, so I'm gonna go do my nails. I've got my weave coming, need to do my hair, I need to like finish packing and all that stuff, and then I'll be ready to go. But yeah, let me get some footage together and then I'll check back in with you guys in another time. It's